Hello everyone, and welcome to my Roblox scripting series where I teach you how to script on Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about events. So events are data types that show when an action takes place on Roblox. For example, there's an event in the part class called touched, which will fire every time two parts touch each other. You can connect functions to these events so that they can run some code whenever the event fires. This makes objects more interactive with the game. For example, a brick that changes colors every time it is touched. Let's make one. Here, we can insert a part and place a script inside the part. Inside the script, we reference the part by taking the script's parent, get the touched event, and connect the function to it. In the function, we can now change the part's color to a random color value. If we hit play, we can now see that every time the part is touched, it will change colors. When you connect an event, you return a data type called a Roblox script connection. These connections hold reference to the event connection you made. It is important that you disconnect the event connection whenever you're done with it, or else it could cause a memory leak in your game. These events also have a function called once, which will do the same thing as connect, except that the first time it fires, it will automatically disconnect the event connection. Now events also have another function called wait, which will pause the script until that event fires. The wait function will return any arguments that event usually passes to connected functions. Now the touched event passes an argument referencing the other part that touched it. So if we modify the script inside our part to wait until it has been touched, set that to a variable, and then print the variable afterwards, we can see the part that touched it in the output. Many instances have built-in events like these, but if you want custom events for actions Roblox does not handle, you use bindable events. With bindable events, you can fire them and connect them on your own time, as well as pass any sort of arguments needed, granted they are within certain limitations. So if I put a bindable event in service storage, a script in script service, and then wrote some code to fire the event while also having an event handler like this, I can make some custom event behavior to fit whatever I need. Roblox programming is event driven. Each script runs only once, so most scripts should utilize event logic. Thanks for watching, please leave a comment on how you felt on the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.